This is the Advanced Tilt 4D TV wall mount designed to hold TVs 42 to 90 inches up to 150 pounds. Tilt 4D advanced technology allows you to tilt your TV in all 4 directions. This mount is unique from other tilting mounts because it extends 6.8 inches from the wall, allowing maximum tilt for even the largest TVs. This mount also swivels your TV up to 15 degrees left or right and gives you easy access to hookup cables behind your TV. Slim profile and sleek mount design places your TV 2.1 inches from the wall and blends with TV and decor. Fluid motion lets you smoothly move your TV into the perfect position. You can easily adjust your TV tilt with just the touch of a fingertip, no tools required. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect placement. An audible click confirms your TV is attached safely to the wall. Open wall plate design allows for mounting directly over electrical boxes or media boxes. You can easily tilt your TV down 12 degrees and up 7 degrees, perfect for eliminating glare from lights and windows, or to get a better viewing experience if you need to mount your TV above a fireplace. Easily level your TV after installation if things don't end up just right. Turn the level adjustment screw on top of either TV bracket to raise or lower your TV. This mount can be installed on wood studs up to 26 inches apart, or on concrete. Hardware is included for both. SANUS includes a comprehensive TV hardware pack to fit most TVs on the market today. This is a super easy install. It comes together in 20 minutes in just 3 steps. Simply attach your TV brackets to the back of your TV. Secure the wall plate to your wall and hang your TV on the wall plate. We even included a worry-free drill template to make sure you only drill one set of holes in your wall. SANUS is the #1 selling TV mount brand in the US. All SANUS wall mounts are rigorously safety tested and UL certified. This mount features a 10-year warranty, and we back it up with our expert customer care team available 7 days a week. If you have any questions, give us a call.